Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Rezor official token. Ticker symbol is RZR. Now this token is getting a very big central exchange listing starting May 21st on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on the Rezor token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So they have a webpage, Rezor.org. If you want to have updates regarding this project, you scroll down and it says register with your email and stay tuned for more updates, so you can subscribe to a newsletter if you want to be informed about what's happening. You could also follow their socials. So they do have a Twitter. I'm going to put that in the corner of the screen here as usual, so you guys can easily find this project. And their Twitter is at Rezor_official. 2,589 followers so far, has a link to their webpage right there, blue verified check mark, 16 posts so far. In the banner there, it says audited by Certic, and then it says Rezor is live, available on Pancakeswap. So obviously it is a token on the Binance Smart Chain, a BEP20 token you can find on BSC Scan. They just joined February 2025 on X. It says, resilient by design, boundless by nature. Welcome to the hub of endless possibilities, powered by Rezor's Layer 0 blockchain. And it was just announced that this token here, at BingX official, just tweeted out on X. It says, the edge your smart contract's been waiting for. The RZR token is coming to BingX spot trading from at Rezor_official. Trading time commences May 21st, 10 a.m. UTC time on BingX. So one way to get this token would be to download BingX from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or open an account on your PC. You would then fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section, and you would search the ticker symbol RZR, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So besides that, follow the Twitter there. You might see even more central exchange listing updates as it gets closer to the 21st. Now, if BingX is maybe not available in your country, or you just don't want to use a central exchange for some reason, you can get this token off of Pancakeswap, like it says in the banner there. So first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Binance Smart Chain tokens. So you could download a Trust wallet, a MetaMask wallet. You could download a Coinbase wallet. Any one of those wallets would work, and you could download them from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get a you could get a Chrome extension on your PC. Now, you would then fund your wallet with Sol. Now, you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. Did I say Sol? You could fund your wallet with BNB. I'm used to looking at Sol pages here today. You'd fund your wallet with BNB from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So once you funded your wallet with BNB, you would go into the dApps, you would find Pancakeswap, and then using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, which is Rezor.org, you would then trade your BNB for this token using that contract address. Now, you could also find the contract address on Binance Smart Chain or the BSC scan, or you could most likely find the chart on DEX Tools and DEX Screener as well. If you're looking for the price and all the statistical information, check out DEX Tools and DEX Screener. And besides that, the rest of the info is going to be on their webpage. So their webpage here, it says it's available on Pancakeswap. Now it says, resilient by design, boundless by nature. Welcome to the hub of endless possibilities, powered by Rezor's Layer 0 blockchain. And they have a product section. So they have the Rezor wallet, which is available now. And they have the Rezor swap, which is coming soon, and the Rezor scan, which is also coming soon. So only one of the 3 products is available so far. It says, designed for tomorrow. Number 1, a sustainable consensus establishment. So Rezor employs an enhanced POS, proof of stake, for blockchain consensus, validating transactions and maintaining node clarity and consistency. They also has interoperability, so Rezor facilitates smooth sharing of data, knowledge, and information among connected Layer 1 chains and Layer 2 chains built upon them. Number 3, the latest cryptographic security. So Rezor secures the blockchain network with cryptographic algorithms and protocols, ensuring privacy, transaction verification, and data integrity. Number 4, distributed network. A global distributed network of nodes is connected to the blockchain ledger, allowing for decentralized information sharing and consensus. And multiple scaling options. So Rezor's Layer 0 architecture connects with other blockchains, addressing scalability through horizontal scaling, sharding, and specialized chains. Also, with the on-chain governance, token holders can propose and vote on network upgrades without hard forks, promoting decentralized decision-making. And number 7, accelerating Web3 adoption. The Rezor ecosystem provides established dApps for a quick transition to Web3, featuring unique UX and abstraction. dApps include validator and nominator applications, Layer 0 and Layer 1 explorers, mobile wallet, crypto cards, staking pools, and a decentralized exchange. And number 8, peer-to-peer P2P architecture. So Rezor enables direct blockchain partner communication, improving collaboration without intermediaries or single points of failure. What's in it for you? So here's everything you can do with the Rezor blockchain. The possibilities are limitless. So you can build your own dApp, integrate your MetaMask wallet, develop unique cross-chain DeFi solutions, create interoperable NFTs, deploy and build parachain for specific use cases, offer tools for identity and governance solutions, enable self-sovereign identities for users, and employ cross-chain identity management. So go check this token out. Rezor.org has all the info on their webpage there. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.